This is Craig Harley down at Killer Creek Harley-Davidson. This month, Killer Creek is running a special on limiteds. We have a package put together for limiteds right now to turn your limited into a street glide. We have a lowered suspension on this motorcycle. We have taken the TourPak off of this motorcycle. We've made it detachable so it can come on and off. We've also put a 7-inch wind splitter windshield on this bike. Along with this, one thing that you're not going to get with a street glide that you're going to get with this limited is the liquid cooled lower fairings on this bike, which keeps this bike running very cool whenever you're in the hot sun and you're out on the highway, stuck in traffic, whatever it is. The liquid coolers will keep this bike nice and cool for you. But this is a special that we are running at Killer Creek Harley-Davidson. Come down, check it out. My name's Craig Harley. Call me 770-777-1000.